This is a new 2016 Ford F-350. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power seats, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Tracy Langston Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3264 Tom Austin Highway, Springfield, Tennessee 37172.